Got my hand sanitizer, got my smoothie. The two essentials nowadays, I guess. Well, at least for me anyways. What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than you haven't seen on the channel before. I've posted a couple full day of eating videos. Actually, no, one full day of eating video, not two. I have another one ready though. And then I've also posted like a grocery haul. This is something different that I actually just recently posted on my Instagram about that I want to start doing on the channel. Here is the post right here. You probably can't see it because it's not focused, but there's the post right there. Go check it out at Austin M Prince on Instagram and all other social medias as well. Go check them all out. I'm going to start doing weekly weigh-ins, and this is going to be the first one. I'm probably going to put a picture over here of my actual weigh-in today. I weighed in at 95 kilos, I believe, and I know the conversion is 2.2 pounds. So it's about 209 pounds is my starting weight, where I will be beginning, or 95 kilos. I have my scale in kilos. Most of my stuff I measure in metric units just because I got used to doing that in the kitchen. And so I measure like food and things in grams, and I also can't figure out how to get it off of kilos. So that's also why it's in kilos. This is my first week. I'm actually like a week and a half into a vegan diet. I was vegetarian for a couple months and now I'm starting to go vegan. So I wanted to begin to track my weight loss. Before I was just kind of eating and getting used to the vegetarian diet because I knew I wanted to transition into being a vegan. So now I've had about a week and a half under my belts. I've had a couple days where I messed up and ate something that I didn't necessarily know had dairy or like an egg product in it, but ended up having it in it. I'm happy as can be. I mean, I've been vegetarian for a month, or not a month, 2 months, and then now I've been vegan for a little over a week and a half. So yeah, I feel really good. I am super happy with as far as like where my weight is at. I've lost a few pounds since I went vegetarian, but I actually wanted to start like, you know, logging my food every single day. And since I've been vegan, I've been logging my food every single day. Also to just keep track of my macronutrients and my micronutrients and stuff like that. But yeah, just getting a little bit more serious about logging my food, tracking it, and getting a little bit more serious about my weight loss. This is the first weigh-in video. I just wanted to talk and ramble on a little bit about what I'm doing and a little bit about this new little video series. I will be doing one of these every single week to track my weekly weight loss, and really the big picture goal for this is I want to track until my 20th birthday, and my 20th birthday will be this August. My big goal is probably 30, but I'm not gonna push boundaries to get to that goal. Like that's my, you know, my big push goal, but I'm not gonna hurt myself in the process of getting there. That's probably the end of this video. First little weight log in, I guess. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys will enjoy this series. Other videos after this, I might have like actual topics to talk about during the video. This week, I just kind of wanted to introduce it, tell what I was doing, get the gist of the idea across, and get it out. And that was kind of all I was worried about right now. But later on, we may have like specific topics, things I want to talk about, things, challenges I had throughout the week, struggles, whatever is going on. Yeah, so this is going to be it for this video. First weigh-in, week 1. We will weigh in next week and see what it's like. I'm going to track all my food, and that's something I will show you guys as well. The things that I'm eating and the amount of calories that I'm eating, something that I'll probably go over in the next weigh-in video. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day, week, month, and year, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.